Hello, boat. I will show you magic tree. That's our magic fruit there. Wow, look at that. Yan, oh. I forgot pala. My cousin asked for magic fruit. Edmark. Oh, see? Wow, laki na, oh. I planted this pandemic, oh. Lutuin na ay, basta pag process na natin. Tapos, pahingi ng kahit tatlong putol. Yung natandaan mo yung original na putol, ang walang dahon. Tatlo, ha? Kasi, babalik ako Manila, iwan to doon. May huminging pinsan pa.
Kailan po?
Bago ako umalis,
Pagtapos ng bagyo.
session.